Just get a little bit of footage over here. The bugs was tearing our ass up. That's why we had these masks on, y'all. It was a lot of gnats. But now that the tide coming in, they ain't bothering us. Shrimp. What's this, a Texas rig? Carolina rig. What's this? Carolina rig, y'all. Oh shit. Wait, lead line. Oh, shit jumping. Oh, tide coming in now for sure.
Oh.
What?
Oh, you was popping off.
Yeah, I was gonna tie me a longer, well, it might not. I got one somewhere. I might. What you think? Come on. I got one right here. I might not need it that long. I'm tired. Tie me a longer lead line. My popping cork. Huh? You coming down boat sweet shit. You ain't got no boat etiquette. None, no boat etiquette at all. Ocean etiquette, water etiquette. What's it called? Ain't it called boat etiquette? You're supposed to slow down. out.
People like that is assholes. They don't got no boat etiquette. They see someone fishing, somebody fishing the shoreline, and you come through and blow it up. It'd be one thing if we were just like in the middle of open water, we fishing open water and you came through, but we're literally fishing the shoreline and you come through and blow the shoreline.
Me too, I was just saying. Me too. Alright, now, hold on, let me cut this side right quick. Alright. Let's see what we're gonna catch. I don't realize it's so dirty. Like, oh, you caught another one? What? What you got? Oh, another one. Alright, the other one. Where they at? I'm gonna toss this one over here. Sitting right here. Let's go out a little bit more. No, I meant to throw mine out a little bit more, but it's okay. deep. It's not that deep. It's just nuts.
Damn. Sapphire, go shit. That was a good kill. I just had a good kill. What you got?
A whiting, but
Small?
yeah.
Pretty decent.
Keep them?
Yeah. Keep them on that size. It's a little bit smaller than that I was buying.